The Barnyard Boogie by Tim McKenna. The Barnyard Band is performing today. All the musicians are ready to play. Horses bring the tuba, oomba doomba doo. Goat swings the sax, honka wonka woo. But what can the cow do? Moo? Cat bows the fiddle, zinga zinga zee. Pig plays the piano, plinka plinka plee. But what can cow do? Moo? Sheep blares the trumpet, blatta blatta blatta. Dog bangs the drums, rat-a-tat-a-tat. But what can cow do? Moo? The crowd is waiting to hear the show. How will they start? When will they go? Who will lead the band? Whoo, whoo, whoo. Cow, of course, and a one and a moo. Come on, let's boogie and give a hand to Cow and the Barnyard Animal Band. Friends, what instrument would you like to play in the Barnyard Animal Band? Would you like to lead the band like Cow, or would you like to play an instrument like one of the other barnyard animals? You could make your own instrument today and join in a band. I hope you have a great day. Bye.